I'm Therica. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returner, welcome back, sis. I've missed you. So today I have, as you can see in the title, a wig review for you. So I don't know much about wigs. Let's start there. But I've been really into protective stylings, and a while back I got a wig from Sensationnel, and it was curls and kinks, the same brand as this one. So I figured they just dropped this wig, and I love this hair. It just is really nice and close to my natural hair. So I figured I'd grab it and then show you all what I got. So let's get into it. All right, so right out the box, this is in a 1B and it's called Wild One. And it says it's for 3B to 4C hair types. And I am a 4 type hair. Let's see. So I am super excited about this wig. Look at these curls. They are so pretty. I, of course, am gonna pull these curls out because I do not like the uniform curl. It is a lace front wig, so only the front of it is lace, and it is synthetic. It is in a 1B. There's a good amount of parting space on this wig. It doesn't say how long it is, but it's quite long and it's curly. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and then I'll be right back. All right, I went and cut the lace off. There's 2 combs, one in the front and then one in the back. And then there is the straps to make it tighter. I never use those because my head is huge. So I never need those. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And so this is it on with doing nothing to it. I don't do all that gluing and all that of my wig, so I'll probably most likely not do that. I need to figure out a way to wear this in a way that I don't have to do that. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these curls a bit. Not a bit, a lot. Yeah, look how pretty that looks already. Now that it's more pulled out. All right, let's put it off to the side and see what happens. I definitely need to put some foundation here because that looks crazy. But it's really pretty so far. Just need to play with it a little bit more and get. Oh yeah, that's pretty. There's some curls here that are a little too. There you go. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go put some foundation on that line. See if I can get it to act right. So I went and put a little bit of foundation on that lace, and shut the heck up. I am in freaking love. It is just so beautiful and big and full, but it's like really light on my head. It's not heavy at all. It comes like right about to here. Look at those curls. That just looks so good, and it's synthetic, and I am in love. This is definitely a whole look. I got this for stinking cheap. I'll put a link in the description bar for this wig, but look at her. Shut the heck up. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited. This is definitely winter hair because it is big and full and just so pretty. So if you want to see me do more wig reviews, make sure you are subscribed, honey, and make sure your notification bell is turned on so you are aware of when I post. Also, if you are loving her like I am loving her, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And just like, yes, girl, yes. It's all the way around. All the way around, it is a yes. I am in love, and it is just gorgeous. So cue the sexy B-roll.